We now take an example based on rank correlation coefficient. If the rank correlation coefficient is 2 by 3 and summation of d square equals 55, then find the number of pairs of observations. Assume that no rank is repeated. So here the value of the rank correlation coefficient is 2 by 3. Usually we denote rank correlation coefficient by RS, capital R and S for Spearman's. So RS value is 2 by 3 and summation d square is equal to 55. We have to obtain the number of pairs of observations, that is the value for n. Now we apply the formula for Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, which is RS is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square upon n cube minus n. Now the value for RS is 2 by 3 equal to 1 minus 6 into 55 divided by n cube minus n. So further we get 2 by 3 is equal to 1 minus, now 6 into 55 is 330 divided by n cube minus n. Taking the n term onto the left hand side, so we have 330 upon n cube minus n equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So 330 divided by n cube minus n is equal to 3 ones is 3 minus 2, so that becomes 1 by 3. Now if we cross multiply, we have 990 is equal to n cube minus n. Now 990 could be written as 1000 minus 10. So this could be expressed as 1000 minus 10, and 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. So n cube minus n is equal to 10 cube minus 10. Now we have exactly the same arrangement on both the sides. So therefore we could obtain n by mere comparison. So we could say by comparison n is equal to 10. So here you have n cube minus n. On the right you have 10 cube minus 10, exactly the same arrangement. So by comparison, n, that is number of pairs of observation, is equal to 10.
Download the app Maths Guide from Google Play today.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.